Exercise 58. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute. Get ready. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, the government has already constituted the National Committee for Tourism. Full stop. I would take this opportunity to urge upon the government that its recommendations should be given full and quick effect by providing incentives which will develop the tourism industry all over the country. Full stop. This can indulge giving concession for all those ancillary industries. Full stop. The incentives to such export industries should be taken up by the finance minister as early as possible. Full stop. This can include improved facilities of airports as well as other means of transport, doubling the capacity as far as other connected export oriented industries are concerned. Full stop. I think that this step can help us in mobilizing better earnings and return of foreign exchange. Full stop. Thirdly, Madam, I am very much in favor of rationalization of the tax structure. Full stop. You are aware that there is a very bitter debate going on concerning the tax proposals which have been put forward and passed by us in the form of amendment to tax laws, and I feel that the honorable minister would give careful consideration to the criticism and difficulties involved therein. Full stop. Suggestions are coming from all over the country, from all walks of life, that there are drastic measures stipulated just like section 44 or the provisions concerning the partnership and the liability of the partner. Full stop. All that requires due assessment if you want to give a flip to the economy and infuse confidence in taxpayers. Full stop. Fourthly, I would like to draw the attention of the ministry to the growing disparity, whatever may be our claims, between the poor and the rich in this country. Full stop. I have the report which has just came yesterday published in the Times of India, giving figures to show how the poverty has risen in this country under the heading poor population up in Uttar Pradesh, and the figures quoted are staggering. Full stop. This House must share the concern that there are millions of people who can be classified as very poor. Full stop. I would sincerely urge the government to tackle the problem of poverty as a priority problem and not leave it to the mere physical measures or the forest of figures which every budget gives, saying that we have allocated this much of amount and all that. Full stop. That is not the method in which you can reach the poor simply by saying that we are dedicated to remove poverty. Full stop.